One of the eye-opening aspects of the research that I did was with these teenagers. These were kids 15 to 25, actually, who write seriously outside of school. Some of them are poets, some write novels, some are entrepreneurs, some do journalism, some are blogging. They are from every racial background and socioeconomic background. um, and I was kind of interested in, and I was interested in how they, sustained themselves as writers. And vocational aspiration was a huge force in almost all of their lives. And this could begin with them as early as 7 and 8 years old.
Mhm.
The idea that you could uh, write in some capacity. The literary writer is a common one, but there were, they were picking up information about journalism, about just sort of the work that people were doing that involved writing. Their adults around them, and the aspiration to be something, in the world, was a huge motivator for them. And almost all of them also were around other people who were writing. These were often mentors, family members. We think about parents reading to children. We don't have any idea of how parents are transmitting ideas about writing to their kids. But parents work now, and their involvements with community and organizations, social activism, unionism, all of that stuff comes into the household. And so being around other people who are practicing writers of any capacity also seemed really, really key to their ability to learn and develop as writers. And so it seems kind of cheesy sometimes, but the National Writing Project really does stress the idea of the teacher themselves as a kind of someone who is writing and grappling with writing. And I can understand now why that is so powerful, because that puts kids in the vicinity of somebody who's actually practicing the crafts of writing. And I can imagine that that is the case for science and other subjects as well. If teachers aren't themselves writing, it's hard for them then to, first of all, maybe communicate the importance of writing to students, but then also to share in the agonies, of what it is to write.